the main application scenario of HSB. So we're using the HSB to improve the wireless access service reliability. So this is one of the scenarios to using the master and backup. So the red color line is belong to the master CAPWAP tunnel, and the green one is belong to the backup. So the AC2 will be just as the backup AC. All the link will only connect to the AC1. And another one, we will call it as the load balancing mode. So for this load balancing, allow the AC manage different AP. So the AP1 have the master tunnel formed with the AC number 1. For the AP2 will form the master tunnel together with the AC2. So they have different management. And you don't need to worry, either one of the AC go into the failure, because when the AC1 fail, the AP1 will going to use the backup tunnel become the active tunnel and connect to the AC2. And the same thing happened to the AP2. Okay, only when the AC2 is already failed, so they can't get any response from the AC2, then AP2 will form the master tunnel with the AC1. So this is the last content here to configure the HSB. So this is the scenario. HSB plus Dual-Link mode. So as you can see over here, they're using a static IP for the AP here. So the AP, we're going to assign this IP address 10.1.10.51. For the gateway, it will just pointing to the switch, and it's not pointing to the AC. So later on, we're going to configure the master CAPWAP tunnel connected to the AC1. The backup tunnel will connect to the AC2. So here is some of the example configuration. So we're going to touch on the AC1. So as usual, we need to key in the WLAN command from the system view. In the next step, we're using the command AC protect enable. So right now I want to enable the backup mode. In the second, going to select the protect AC. So because this is my AC1, so I'm going to key in my protect AC is the AC2 IP address. So the AC2 IP address is 10.1.10.200. Right here, I use the priority number 1. Okay, this priority number 1 right, is for the AC1 itself. So after done the enable on the AC protect, so now return to the system view using the command HSB-service followed by the ID number. So right now it's already inside the HSB service view. So over there, you need to tell the peering IP and the port to the HSB service. So we're going to use the command service IP port, then followed by the local IP. So the local IP is referred to the AC1 itself. The AC1 is using 10.1.10.100. And you're going to peer to the IP 10.1.10.200. Okay, don't forget to list out the peering port number. So the local port, you can use any port number that you want, and you need to make sure the peer port must be consistent. So after done on the peering configuration, then we return to the system view. So on the system view, we need to enable the HSB service. So we're going to tell to the AC right now using the HSB service for the access user. You're going to using the HSB service and same to the AP. Okay, the AP also using the HSB service 0. So all the information, right, you'll be using the HSB donor over here. This is a blue color link. So all the information, include the status of the terminal and the AP, current status, all will be sharing in the donor over here. So this is the example configuration for the AC2. So they did the same thing as the AC1, but when you try to configure on the AC Protect in the WLAN view, there's some different. On the AC2, we use the command AC Protect. Protect AC 10.1.10.100. So this is the IP address of the AC1. And the AC2 going to set itself, the priority is 5. So when 5 against the priority 1, AC1 will have the highest priority, because previous one we already changed the custom priority become 1. So return to the system view. We do the same again on the AC2, HSB service 0. So this time we're just doing the reverse way. So the previous one, when we assign the local IP is the AC1 itself. To the AC2, they need to put its own IP address into the local IP. Of course, for the peer IP will be the AC1. Please make sure all the IP address and the port number here must be matched of the configuration on the AC1. Either one of the IP here or the port is mismatched, they can't able to form the HSB donor. Okay, after done already, we quit and return to the system view. And we're going to using the same command as the AC1. HSB service type. Access user, we're going to using the HSB service 0. AP HSB service 0. So to checking the configuration result, we use the command called display AC protect. So with this command, you can check whether right now my AC2 is already enabled the protect stage or not. And who is my protect AC? So right now I am going to pair with the AC number 1, and this is the IP address 10.23.100.1. And AC2 itself, the priority is 5. The protect restore by default is already enabled. So this is the reason why just now they enable you the command how to enable the protect restore. And the next one is use the command called display HSB service 0. Okay, this one will depend on the ID number that we assigned just now. So if you're using 0, then you put a 0 over here. And it will show up the local IP address and also the peer IP address from here. Also, of course, include the source port and destination port. So whether right now the connection is connected or failed, they will show you the service status here. But right now the AC1 and AC2 is from the connection, so they'll tell you it is connected. This is a very useful command sometimes when we want to do the troubleshooting and want to verify whether the HSB service is up or not. So we're using the show command called display HSB service. So this is the AC HSB mode. So it's a HSB plus the VRRP mode combined used together. So as you can see on the top one, they actually have the AC1 and AC2, both of them using the VRRP. The physical IP address used by the AC1 is 10.1.10.100. To the AC2, it's using the 10.1.10.200. And we're going to configure the VLAN 11. Okay, and this one I'm going to use this one for the service VLAN. Service VLAN IP address is 10.1.11.0. For the AP, doing the same thing. I'm going to statically to change the AP IP address. I configure the static IP to AP. So if we're using the 10.1.10.51, and the gateway we're going to point to this virtual IP, 10.1.10.1. Okay, this one will become the virtual IP later on we configure on the VRRP on AC1 and AC2. So for the VRRP channel and also the HSB channel, they're using a different donor to share the information. So physically, we look at the slide over here, you can able to see they actually have two AC axes. But to all the devices, all the node over here, they only can see one AC. Because after combined with the HSB and the VRRP, logically to all the devices over here, you'll notice this AC is just one AC with one IP address here, which is 10.1.10.1.